Good night. The teacher is going to talk about the reading B2 first exam. This exam time during 150 minutes represents the 40% of the exam. Try to understand and read all the information in the paper. These exams have part 1, multiple choice clause, 8 questions, and this is about phrasal verbs. Part 2, open close 8 questions and complete the gaps. Part 3, more information about correct sentence. Part 4, keyword sentence. Complete the sentence located. Part 5, multiple choice 6 questions and implicate what the answers or what says the authors. Part 6, got text. Part 7, multiple matching. 10 questions, opinion and attitudes. Thank you.
Reading CAE C1 Advanced Exam. In the C1 exam, the reading section evaluates your comprehension of the text. Time 1 hour and 30 minutes. You will read 3,000 and 3,500 words in total. Part 1 on text with 8 gaps. Part 2 multiple choice, complete the gap with a single word. Part 3 change the form of the word. Part 4 6 sentences to rewrite. Part 5 long text with multiple choice. Part 6 short text identified opinions and attitude. Part 7 long text with gaps. Part 8 on page of a text with the multiple matching question. Thanks.
B2 first, FCE versus C1 Advanced, CAE. Cambridge B2 First and C1 Advanced are two English language examinations designed and administered by Cambridge Assessment of the University of Cambridge, while passing B2 First is equivalent to CEFR Level 2. C1 Advanced indicate a high level at C1. Both exams can be taken in paper-based or computer-based version, even though the two exams fall in different levels on the CEFR scale. There are a lot of similarities like to a structure of the exams, delivery methods to making system as well as how the results are reported. After all, they are both part.
I will talking about B2 first and CAE similarities in reading part. For example, in exam structures, the first major is similarity between B2 first and C1 advanced lies in the way the exam are structured. In deliberating methods, Cambridge offered the exam in two different ways of deliberating. First, there is a paper-based version, which is still more commonly taken off. Of then there is the computer-based version. The marking system. Another clear similarity is the way the tests are marked. The correct answers are added up and converted to a score which tells you if you pass that paper or not. Obviously, there are small differences between B2 first and C1 advanced in the number of the questions of some of the tasks. For finally, is the reporting of the result. The last similarity between B2 first and C1 advanced lies the ways your results are reported to you. In order to get your score, the examiner has to add up at the correct answers and the converse everything to a score that falls somewhere on the Cambridge scale.
I'm going to talk about the difference between FCE and CAE in the reading section. FCE has 7 parts and takes 75 minutes. 4 parts receive 1 mark and 3 parts receive 2 marks. The lowest score for this section is 122, and the highest score is 180. On the other hand, CAE has 8 parts and takes 90 minutes. It has 56 questions and part 6 called cross-test multiple matching in the new part. The lowest score is 142 and the highest score is 200.